Hello, you guys. Welcome, you guys, to MrCoin International channel. So today I'm gonna do some analysis and will tell you guys about what I think about the situation of Bitcoin right now, how we should trade Bitcoin, especially especially for those who want to trade in the weekly to monthly time frame. Let's go to the chart first. We can use the weekly chart, which is the 12-month time frame. Each candle here is a year. Okay, we see that like white candle, bullish candle, and during 2023 and 2024, we have two very bullish, very clearly bullish candle. Okay, 2023 Bitcoin increased by uh, more than 150%. 2024 over 120% increase, and right now 2025 we are still forming a new candle, and it most likely gonna be another bullish here with a white and bullish candle. Okay, so generally we are in an uptrend. Okay, we can go to a smaller time frame, which is the monthly time frame, and we can see that the start of this uptrend is this was like since December 2022. Okay, so we are still in an uptrend since the end of 2022 or the beginning of 2023, and this uptrend has lasted for like around 2.5 years. Okay, so generally, like for those who trade on longer time frame, like weekly, monthly, or even daily, I think we should prefer to go long instead of go short in this kind of environment. Okay, so let's go to um a smaller time frame, which is a weekly time frame. Okay, I feel like even though we are still in an uptrend now, so and this uptrend has been lasted for 2.5 years, um, and we should go long. Uh, but I'm afraid that like we are approaching the end of this uptrend. According to Elliott wave theory, each uptrend we can divide it into five waves. Okay, we have the first wave, the third wave, and the fifth wave align with the general trend. We call this like motive wave. Okay, and the second and the fourth wave, which uh, are retracements against the general trend, we call it corrective wave. Okay, so that's the general theory, and it's actually like doesn't only apply to an uptrend, but can also be applied to a downtrend. A downtrend can be subdivided into five waves as well. Okay, you can see it during the uptrends of 2022. Okay, first wave, second wave, uh, third wave, fourth wave, and fifth wave. Okay, very nicely. So that's how we often use Elliott wave theory uh, to analyze the price. But one caveat is not is very subjective. This method can be very subjective. It depends on the perspective of each analyst, of each trader, uh, and and it can be inaccurate as well. Okay, so even though we have some tools to analyze market with Elliott wave theory, we should still be careful, and you guys shouldn't take any projection based on this theory as the only way to make decisions for trading in the market or believe it too much. You guys should combine different methods. Okay, so based on this theory, I think that we are currently in the final phase of the uptrends. Okay, we probably have finished four waves. Okay, one, two, three, and four waves. So we are most likely in the final phase of this uptrend. Okay, the fifth wave. So if you guys haven't been in a position now, and you guys want to make some profit during this uptrend, your expectations, your expected profit should be a bit lower because we're a bit late into this uptrend. Okay, but still we still have opportunities. Okay, we still have opportunities. Let's go to the daily chart. Okay, within this motive wave. Okay, within this motive wave, the fifth wave, we can still like try to divide it into five smaller waves. Okay, you can still try to divide it. So that is the beauty of added wave theory. It's recursive. Okay, um, and every every model requires like this, then probably we have finished the. Let me change the color and you guys see it more clearly. Okay, it's probably that we have finished the first motive wave of of uh, of this. I would say it like a mini uptrend. Okay, a mini uptrend that I think will last till the end of this year. Okay, we have finished the first phase. So now probably we are in the correction. We are all in the correction phase. The price will retrace a bit, and we can use the trend line. We see that like price has broken the trend line. This trend line represents the up move since early April to end of May. Okay, and probably like we have broken down of this uptrend. Okay, has broken down a bit, and we're probably in a correction state. And we should what we should do? We should wait until this correction to end. Okay, it can end probably around 95,000. You can retrace all the way to 95,000 or 91,000, or even it's like a bit a bit lower than that, like 87,000. These are the levels based on Fibonacci retracement. Okay, um, it can go something like this. Okay, it can go something like this, and we should wait for it to end. Wait for this retracement to end, like using similar to a trend line. Wait for it to end, break out of the trend line, and we can try to follow up to these a low entry that okay. Although to trade on a weekly to monthly time frame. Okay, and for profit taking, it's hard to say. It's hard to say. Like if we get into a trend nicely, then we can like constantly observe it. Um, to to uh to wait. Uh, till we see any sign of the trend and we can exit our position there. Uh, but we can try to estimate um, how far the trend will go. Okay, based on how far it will trace. Okay, so personally, I think that 150 to $160,000 might be a good profit taking target if our projections, if our model is right, okay, and we still have a upward movement of Bitcoin from now to the end of this year, uh, then 150 to $160,000 might be a good target. That is my personal projection for now. Okay, so that is the plan for Bitcoin based on technical analysis only, but we should look into fundamental aspect as well. So for now, like what I'm waiting to be a big catalyst for Bitcoin to go up is the Fed continue uh, is lowering interest rate. We see that the Fed has been in a dovish position since August 2024 when it started to reduce the interest rate, but the pace of interest rates growing, but the pace of interest rates lowering is a bit slow. Okay, we only have one interest lowering uh, since the start of this year, which is January, and we haven't got any other interest reduction. Okay, so we still need to observe the Fed. You see the non-farm payroll is stabilizing and the unemployment rate is also stabilizing. But personally, I believe that the non-farm payrolls might stabilize a bit and it go down. Okay, the rate of job creation in the United States, I believe, will probably go down in the next 2 months, and the unemployment rate will continue to rise. Okay, you can see this chart, and we see this chart until like the unemployment rate will likely to rise, and those things will give the Fed the reason to continue lowering interest rates, um, and it will give Bitcoin and other assets such as S&P 500 a pump. Okay, a pump, and we use technical analysis combining with fundamental factors to decide the direction as well as the entry level and the entry uh, time to go into trading Bitcoin. Okay, we can go to site like tradingeconomics.com to monitor the, uh, the timeline of the news release. At the end of this week, which is June 6th, we're gonna have like non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate news. Next week, we will have inflation rate, the CPI and stuff. And on the 19th, we're gonna have another FOMC. Gonna see how the Fed will decide its monetary position on this meeting. I think like there's quite some high chance that the Fed gonna still keep its interest rate high within this meeting. We probably won't have another uh, interest rate reduction within this month meeting, and Bitcoin might still correct um, till the end of this month. And this month might be a down candle, a a decreasing candle. Okay, you can find the long opportunities. I think either in July or in August. That is my personal belief for now. So in conclusions, for those traders who hold their positions for weeks and months, um, I still we I think we still should looking for long opportunities. But we need to be patient. We need to wait for this current correction to end. Uh, Wait for the news catalyst. Okay, wait for the sign. Uh, and wait for the nice level to get into our long position. I believe it's gonna be a bit lower than the $100,000. This might be around like 90,000 uh, levels. Okay, and expect to take profit at the end of this year around like $150,000. That is my prediction for Bitcoin. Okay, thanks you guys for watching the video today. I hope you guys like the content of this video, and you guys, I would very appreciate if you guys can like the video and subscribe to our channel. Enjoy the Discord community. There are a lot of people. We try to form community where a lot of people can share knowledge, share opinions about Bitcoin trading, Bitcoin investing, and crypto investing in general. Okay, link of the Discord in the description below. Okay, thank you guys for your time, and I hope to see you guys on another video.